Yo, what is up, everybody? This is Cushion Tech here, and today I'm going to be talking to you about why you should major in computer science. Computer science is a major where you study how a computer works and any other technology works. You'll be programming and coding and programming in different languages such as Python, Java, C++, C Sharp, etc. It's not just about programming. There are also non computer science slash tech jobs you can get, such as IT director, system administrators, or instead of doing the programming, you can troubleshoot and fix issues going on around the can around, let's see, that, and let's see, computer science is the second most popular major, with the first popular major being business. And these days computer science is important because everyone's using computers these days for everything. You're gonna have to implement algorithms, you're gonna have to implement math and basic other, test so many things to see if it works or not. It's similar to engineering, except it's not physical or hands-on. You'll do everything on a computer, and it's only more logic based instead of math and physics based like engineering. There are so many different fields you can do in computer science, and there's so many fields you could do in computer science, such as software engineering, software development, web design, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, data science, machine learning, scientific computation, mathematical models, info systems, operating systems, let me think about more. Theory of computation, hardware, programming languages, compilers, data structures, algorithms, computer architecture, computer networks, database management, data mining, cryptography, image and sound processing, parallel computing, distributed computing, information theory, and so many different more fields. Computer science is the major with the most job opportunities. Because everyone uses technology and computers this year to do their daily lives, more jobs, and the demands for technology and computer sciences are continuously increasing, though, and there's so many vacant positions open up, which gives so many job opportunities to other people and all that. And there are so many options you can do. You can work from home, you can work hybrid, where you go half the week in person and the other half the week from home, and then you can work either fully in person if you want to. Computer science is a very high demanded field, and it's most demanded, and it's a very high demand because almost every business in the country or in the world wants a computer science professional to work on tech problems, because they all use technology, and they need to have computer science professionals fix those technologies, or develop new technology for them. It's better for them to use get these high demands. Everyone wants computer science professionals. Computer science also has a really high salary in the let's see, almost every single computer science scientists will make six figures, which is like 100K a year, which is 100K, well, at least 100K a year. And to be rich, in like most of the United States, you need at least 100K, and like the average salary for like for like any person in the US is like, let's see, less than that. Is like only like $59,000, which, and computer scientists make double the amount of money, which make only double the amount of money, which is not bad. Which it's technically considered rich. They just only need a bachelor's degree and they'll be making six figures, and that's it. Let's see, like, and like six figures is anything above that has like six digits in the amount of money you earn, which is 100K is six figures. Let's see, computer science is more interesting in business because like you guys get to, let's see, like build design stuff and like program stuff and learn like about technologies, computers, and there are like so many different wide ranges of fields such as game development, which is a very interesting, and like there are more interesting things to do in computer science, such as designing things. While business, like it's it's a good job though. Business makes good money though and a good salary, but it is easier than computer science though, but it's less boring than computer. But it's like more boring than computer science because I have a lot of friends who studied business, who took business classes or studied business. They think it's so boring, and they think it's so boring, but it's easy for them at the same time, and like they don't. And the only reason why they're majoring in business is just so they don't have to go for a master's degree, and they can get a six-figure salary off of that, and it's one of the easiest degrees to get a six-figure salary with, like a business is computer science has more interesting topics though, but business is easier. Mm. Computer science has the least amount of memorization than any other majors. In computer science, you just have to implement logic, and you have to maintain a deep understanding of the code. If you don't have a deep understanding of the code, of like any code or algorithm, you have to like use your own logic and like deep understanding of it and like how it works. Whereas like some business, you have to memorize different key terms and concepts. You have to memorize different concepts in business, while computer science, there's barely memorization. You just have to, let's see, write code based on your own logic and your own your own logic, and implement math, which also requires logic. And like computer science is more logic, whereas business is more math. Let's see, computer science is easier than engineering because like computer science just only requires you to be on a computer and like just digitally use logic, just only requires logic skills, barely requires any calculus or math, whereas engineering requires math slash calculus and physics, which if you implement, which physics is hard because it requires both math and memorization. Computer science doesn't require any memorization, and requires any memorizations. Like engineering requires like math, is more on hands-on, and like hands-on stuff is harder compared to like being on a screen and digital in a digital setting. And like computer science is, let's see, you can do anything from home and all that, whereas engineering, you have to go in person and do it, which is harder, and engineering is more math and physics than computer science. we live in a digital, let's see, another reason why you should major in computer science is because we live in a digital era because like almost every business and person and individual uses computers and technologies to like perform their daily tasks and functions rather than writing everything on a piece of paper and doing that. Like we all use technology to communicate with each other rather than just going like driving a long way or like sending messages out, like paper letters out. Like and digital, and we use computer technology to live in a safe and digital era. There are more freelance options in computer science than any other their field, because like in computer science you can do so much freelancing, such as starting a YouTube channel, such as creating software and selling that software to make money, such as creating apps and selling that apps to make money on your own time, such as creating, let's see, websites and selling those to make money, and like such as and like let's see, having your own like private mini business to help people troubleshoot and fix any tech issues going on. You can simply do that by like using like any social media app to like show your business. Let's see, eh, to like show your to like increase like awareness of your business, and like increase, let's see, make more people know about your business and have more people contact you. And you should create like a business poster so you can like about your contact information and like how much they have to pay you to fix those technical issues. There are more work from home options in a computer science major than any other major, because like when you work from home, for work from because like you do everything on a computer, and you test everything on a computer digitally rather than just doing it going to the office and testing it there. For majors like engineering, they have to go in person at all times, because they cannot just bring like the rocket home or the drill home or like anything. They have to go in person and test it there. Or like the electricity home, they have to test it there though. Or computer science, they can test all their software and like their apps, applications, and their websites from home rather than just going there. There are so many hybrid options to choose from. No, there's so many hybrid options to choose from, where like wherever you're going, and like whenever you're for like you can do hybrid options for computer scientists, because like computer scientists want to socialize instead of just staying home all day. So that's why there are hybrid options where like they can, let's see, have like more flexible timings and not have to commute, while at the same time they can socialize with other people and all that, and hang out with other people. So which is the reason why hybrid exists.